Santiago, so I'm working all morning, and you don't clean up this place? What's up? How come you don't clean the place up? I didn't. The rugs are all messed up. The blankets are all over the place. What's up with that? Clean this mess up, huh? What do you think
What are you doing
is?
in the sock pile?
What are you doing, Stinky? How'd you get in there? Are you stuck in there? Did you jump in there like a big Bowie? That's so funny. Santiago, how did you get in there? There's cool little rocks all over the place. I'm telling you what, I've never seen so many put in one spot. Boy, that is awesome. Really cool. Somebody left a flag here in the wood or in the fence. Nice, beautiful day today, guys, down here in Carpinteria. I am telling you what, can't get any nicer looking out there. Beautiful. This little area right between Carpinteria and Santa Barbara. A little cut off looking park here. There's a bunch of Class C's parked along here. And then they got this little cool little sneaky peeky. Not sure how safe it is, but you gotta look both ways and make sure there's. Here we go. Oh yeah, paradise,
Wow.
babe. So let's keep heading north on my bike, my e-bike, towards Santa Barbara. Let's check it out, make sure my bike's still there. Okay.
A lot of construction going on down here in the 101. All the way down there. Down that way.
And then you go working on the highways. A lot of work going on. It's called Santa Claus Lane, guys. Santa Claus Lane. Right along the 101. Right along the beach on the other side of those houses. Padera Association. It's called Padera's Beach in back of me. There's a little, something like a little couple of
Wow, how cool is that? Arroyo Paradon Creek.
Wow, I love that. Let me live the house there, the house there. How beautiful is that? My God. Wow, look at that beautiful wall there, that rock wall. That is awesome. Boy, this Santa Claus Lane is beautiful. It is a cool little bike ride, guys, from Carpinteria. It's about not even 3 miles, but you can take this ride up to, I think the next is Cumberland or Summerland, the next stop. But I saw this this wall down here, and I just love it. Who knows what's on the other side of that wall, but it's beautiful. So Summerland's that way, Lambert Road, Toro Canyon Road, Pacifica Graduate Institute. Oh, that must be up there. Oh, maybe we should go check that out. Let's check it out.
Yeah, let's see.
I wonder if this is private property. Oh man, I bet it is. Look at this thing. Oh, they got stables right there. That is cool. Very, very cool, guys. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. That's Polo Grounds right here, guys. There you go. Look at that I'm in heaven when I see a big old lawn like this. Oh man, this is a Polo Grounds. Look at that place up there. How you doing?
Good.
Polo Grounds, right?
Property.
Oh, it is private property.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see the sign when I was coming up.
Well, you cannot walk on people's home.
Okay, so I got kicked out back there. That place with the Polo Grounds. One of the groundskeepers or somebody stopped me.
Very, very
And
cool, guys.
said that horse stables. I was in
Must be some
private
polo
property
grounds around here.
and it was Chapo's house, but who knows? Oh, let's check this out right here. Huh. Okay, sacred space. Welcome to the sacred space. Now that's a sacred space. Okay, guys, just sitting in this beautiful place right here, relaxing. It never ends. Yeah, that was a sacred place, all right. Beautiful. I recommend it. I don't know what to tell you, but it's right between Carpinteria and Summerland. Right on the corner here. Hopefully you can find it. But Summerland's that way. Summerland is that way. Little town of Summerland. The Burger Madness every Tuesday, $9.99. The Summerland Beach Cafe. Godmothers, whatever that is cool. Store. Gotta have a liquor store, right? You got the Summerland United States Post Office. It was not founded in 1889, but Summerland must have been founded, and that must be the end. So right when you're coming out of Summerland north, on the right along the 101, it sure is beautiful here. My God, they got a cool little bike path that we're gonna go ahead and follow.
Left onto Ortega Hill Road, then turn left onto North Jameson Lane.
Bike lane's ending right here. And then turn left. That's right, guys. Coming up into Montecito, next stop. We're on Ortega Hill Road. And probably, like I said, about 7 miles, 6 miles out of Carpinteria, but it's been a nice ride. It's a little chilly today. Not bad. It says Montecito Union School. Oh, you got the family YMCA is down there. Okay. We are, guys, the town of Montecito. Nothing exciting, guys. Nothing exciting. Alright, starboard bow. I'm on the side of the 101. I got a total flat on the front tire. But you know what? I got it in pedal in walk. P position, which is walk. Basically, the e-bike itself is just moving along by itself. I'm not pushing it or pulling it. So after 4 years of owning this thing, that walk sucker is coming in handy. So basically I got to walk 1.5 miles because the bike's been doing really good. It's just walking by itself. How the saga continues. I'm back at the park, Carpinteria State Park. Took me about 40 minutes to walk a couple of miles. I left the e-bike at Ladera's or something Mexican restaurant. They were really cool and said, no, you can leave it here. I left it on the bike rack and they were cool and say, no, bring it in here and leave it here and come back and get it, which is really cool. And this company called Santa Barbara Bicycles, a cyclery, I guess he's got a little working out of the garage thing possibly. He called me because I checked around, see who was looking, and he says he can replace the tire for me later today. And I have 2 tubes inside my motorhome thanks to Electric. They sent it to me a while back. So let's get back to the old RV, have some lunch, and let's get that tire fixed. Also love me some train tracks. Look at that, beautiful. There she goes, almost there. There we go, we made it. 2 miles. Flopping around in the old flip-flops. Thank God I got no blisters. Let's see what a mook stinky boy. Hopefully he's alive and well. Where the daddy, big boy? Who the stinky boy? Eat the daddy, dingy. He's smelly Santiago. All right, guys, so the bike guy couldn't get to me today, so I have the e-bike in the motorhome. It's behind me. I'm at a day use area. He's gonna do about 9 o'clock in a.m. I ordered out tonight. Everything is so close to this park, it's kind of hard to resist a pizza. That's so close. And here's the pizza. It's a small pizza. Oh, that looks good. Oh yeah, guys. So there you go. I shouldn't be having this sugar because I'm not supposed to have sugar. But you know what? What are you gonna do? You got a movie going on. We got some dinner, and I'll get back to you guys later. All right, guys. It is Sunday night, daylight savings time day, so it's a little later, and it's still a little lighter. But look at that beautiful view, guys. Beautiful view, I am telling you.